Hi everybody, welcome to Perla Lichi's Spring Fever Design Tips. As you know, our most personal space is our bedroom, and we need to create that a very, very personal sanctuary, and we can by doing little things here and there to do so. We'll show you that today. The bedroom is the room we go to sleep in and the room we wake up. So we gotta make it very comfortable. Especially now that we're staying home now, that is our retreat. So we need to make it inviting, plush, and elegant. So the bed obviously has to be inviting. And now, if you notice every hotel, they're doing pretty much everything white. We call it hotel style. So we keep our comforters white because white is crisp, white is clean, white is fresh. However, it's a home, so we don't want it that stark. So I suggest always doing €3 shams for a king size bed. 1, 2, €3 shams, and then you gotta play with the king shams. In this case, we got fluff. Let's throw some plush on this bed. We're gonna throw our king shams, in this case, the candy roll sham. I'm into French, because they bring some romance. Everything is white and crisp, so I'm bringing more texture. In this case, the hairy pillows. Easy to get, anybody can get these, and they are fun. They have a little sparkle. Why not? We need that. Okay, I have my own monogram Perla Lichi domain pillow because this is my domain. Now, for all of the people that like special touch, all right, get ready. I'm throwing this big roll at ya. Woo! Big one. Now, we need a roll. We need a roll on the pillow. Why? It adds fluff, it adds height, it adds drama. For a king size bed, you got a lot of room to cover. Make it rich, make it inviting, fluff it up, give it depth, give it dimension. Don't forget the night tables. It's the extension of the bed. Not only because you need storage, but you need room. A little box for some remote controls, some romance. I need my extra light because, I just do for reading, little candle lighting and whatnot. Lots of space. I like solid wood pieces. You do have room for sitting area, go ahead and use it. Put some sitting. You know who sits there? The doggy. The doggy loves that. Every morning those pillows are on the floor, but I still like to know I have a sitting area in my room. I still like that because this is where I sit down with my shoes sometimes in my closet, but it's good to have a sitting area. The other thing I recommend, a bench in front of the bed. It's an extension of the bed. It ties together, gotta have a throw, and then it's again an area to sit down if you don't want to wake up hubby to get dressed. And it gives you room to put the pillows, in my case 9 of them, like odd numbers. Could be 5, it could be 7, it could be 9, up to 11 pillows. So they end up on the floor, sometimes on the bench. Make that bedroom plush, make that bedroom inviting, make that bedroom romantic.